go.
What is happening?
I want. Is it this one? Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Oh.
Take damage if I do this?
No. I took damage from choking on my fucking gummy. Oh my god.
Oh.
It worked!
I nearly shat myself just now.
It fucking worked.
Nice.
Hey, we're on a fucking hill. I can't control my...
Sure you can. You have steering.
Mine.
A seagull.
It's funny looking. It's funny looking.
Slide. Can I ride it down the hallway?
Oh. I was trying to print grappling hooks and then you pressed the button. Oh my god. Do you want to get back to the base and call it?
Help! Behind it! I really shouldn't be driving, y'all.
Oh!
What?
Champion jump scared me.
Did she?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. We're gonna figure that shit out.
I just shotgunned a moose.
Attention, all Halo gamers. Noble 6 is alive.
Okay, so we can hear your soundboard, but we can't hear you talking? I mean, yeah. That's how it feels. Yeah. Do you remember what that is? You know how far away that is?
Is that not?
You just took out Grandpa's ankle.
I was gonna follow along the beach. Once we get to the beach, I was just gonna follow the beach and go like, cause there'll be
It
less
is on
cars.
the beach, isn't it? Okay.
Beep beep. Oh
Beep,
god.
beep. Beep. Stinky.
So yeah, I'll just paraglide there.
No.
Yeah, keep acting up.
No.
Alright.
You love Naderoni.
There you go.
I'm sure about that.
This way.
Yes.
Hold on,
Yes.
sorry. I'm trying to get to the road.
Okay, the
Ow.
one stump.
I was turning.
My
Oh, you
lady
turned
balls
alright.
just hit a tree stump.
Oh, hi, Virginia.
Bye, Virginia.
Oh my god.
Your lady balls hit the stump.
I did.
I'm sorry.
Kato
Are
just backed me up.
Oh,
right
it's
now.
turning nighttime.
Galatosion. Yes.
Ow!
I think the beat. Can you stop backing Amber into shit?
Trying to get.
Also, I think beach driving at night would be fun.
Okay,
Kate.
yeah.
Also,
You know
You
how
drive.
big this path is?
You drive.
Alright, bet. Swap.
baby giraffe.
Swap, you sassy bitch.
Guys, I
Let's go.
should drive. And then
No.
halfway to the beach, I'll realize y'all are gone.
Oh, Tokyo Drift.
I got knocked
Deja
the fuck
vu.
off.
I've been to this place before. How did all the
It's not as easy now, is it?
No, have I crashed yet?
I mean,
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
there's too many trees.
That's your
in the
bitch
forest.
Oh,
I saw
I'm
something in
kind
the
of
bushes
I'm
there.
kind of
scared.
crazy with it.
We need Nate moaning.mp3.
I'm cut. No, the fuck we don't. Okay, we're good. Oh yeah. I'm so fucking good.
Let me just
Oh baby,
let me just
excavator.
put the
Wait,
clip back.
hold on.
We haven't gotten that excavator.
Oh!
Guys?
Dead ass, that deer scared the fucking shit out of me. What?
The cart kept going.
What am I getting back in for? I'm gonna fucking investigate. And you didn't
Can't
jump
stop
out?
with my feet. I was along for the
You
ride.
just accepted your fate. You didn't even bother to try to stop.
Oh my god, that was funny.
By the
Yeah,
way,
go
Stanky, haven't even crashed yet.
1 minute later.
Are you sure about that?
I'll give you 2 minutes.
Hey, look,
Okay,
he
that
crashed.
was in the middle of the fucking road. One drove back. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh
We're
my
fine. We're fine.
God.
Don't panic. Don't panic.
You know what?
Don't panic.
I'm
Don't panic.
panicking.
Don't panic. We're fine.
I need a paper bag.
See? Okay, we're fine. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we're fine.
I'm taking this shit on foot. Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all. Ambi's actually out of the cart. Oh my god, you're crazy.
In the dark, you nut bar.
Nut bar.
Bones.
Wait a minute!
You're right next to me. Oh my god, the brother cut my fucking throat.
Oh my god.
Ah, he's right behind us. Okay, hold on. Man, fuck this bitch.
I have 4 by me.
Where is he? You have 4 by...
What the fuck is that?
Mommy.
Guys! Oh my god! Please,
you
please
don't
help me! Please help me!
What is it? What is
It's
it?
like a horde of mummies. I will jump to this ocean if I have to. Oh! Or you're gonna push me in. Okay,
You know what though? If we glided, we could go around the fucking island without the golf cart.
Yeah, but...
Golf carts are so underrated.
You promise we'll go back for our car, right?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, we'll go back for our car.
Nate's gonna pull the yeah.
Cause then we can drive on the lakes in the winter, you know?
Yeah.
We're not gonna go back for the car.
So where'd y'all go?
Jump on the rock. We're on the glider.
Never got distracted by a dead fucking whale.
Actually, I don't know.
What?
I don't know what to say.
It's actually a porpoise.
I'm just
Why are you on the ground?
Oh.
Are you actually getting hurt back there, or is that a new stim?
No, that's I got hurt just now actually. Make that twice actually. Make that I gotta go get my glider out of the fucking ocean. Alright, I'm back.
Everything that could go wrong is going wrong.
Make that 3 times.